Hey everyone, I have some exciting news. I have been working with prAna for the past few years now, and as a company that I greatly admire, I'm really stoked to announce that I am officially part of the prAna Adventure team. So I invite you to follow along as I help to spread the message of clothing for positive change and outfit my adventures with respect for this planet and its people. I just got my surprise package from prAna. I really like this sticker that says free range human. I resonate with that a lot. So let's see what's inside. Welcome to the team. Clothing for positive change. First thing, this is so cute. It's a beanie. Oh my gosh, they know me so well. A prAna wine glass. Oh, a patch. Doing good things for 25 years. Funky monkey. I love how these come wrapped in hemp. It's my prAna Adventure sticker. Oh, and this is an awesome sweatshirt. It's super, super soft. Cozy up sweatshirt. I can't wait to put this on. Just got cold here in Florida, so I'll be using that. Oh, this one's good for Florida too. Later, Gator. And then I got some more patches. Joshua Tree, I really want to go here. This cute little case. Oh, awesome. It's a reusable straw. I love that. And look, it even has its own cleaner. This is the cutest thing ever. And then a really beautiful journal. So I can bring this on my travels. Clothing for people who live fully, play long, and travel well. Thanks, prAna. I love everything. As an avid traveler and outdoor enthusiast, I feel like I'm somebody that fully enjoys this planet and all of its people. And I also love leading an active lifestyle. And it's very important for me to align with a company like prAna that shares my same values and respecting this planet and its inhabitants through social and environmental responsibility, as well as sharing a passion for living life to its fullest and inspiring others to do the same. So I am beyond grateful to be partnering with prAna in this. I think that we work really, really well together, and I'm excited to see what this revolution will bring.